Say hi to the camera.
I'm all great.
Hello tubers. It's been a while since obviously I've done a video. The car's kind of working, except I just nearly drained my sump again. The oil drain came off, so I've just Loctited it all and got it all sorted. So that's that hopefully fixed for now. Job today. New seals for the injectors because I'm leaking air down the back of them. And a nice little switch. Now this is a magic button. That is going to be my launch control button. On top of the gear stick. Switch to turn the launch control on. Ready. This will be the switch so I can engage this switch. Then hold it down. Let off, obviously, as we go. I'm thinking on the gear stick. And while I'm doing that, Mr. Gregor, which I haven't seen the footage of his car yet, now it's going boosty, 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 boosty really quick. He's sorting out his 12 volt to 5 volt to 1 volt to human power, synergy powered bypass for his supercharger.
Action.
Master arm. So that's what we're on with today. So launch control. The idea was to put it on the gear stick switch so I could hold it down, but the problem is my gear stick isn't actually, the knob on the top isn't deep enough to hold the switch. So I had an old 14 socket which is exactly the same size, bit of wiring, and then what happens is they go down to your clutch switch and the other one goes to ground, and all it is hold down, ground it, and that's when it should kick in. There is a bug with it apparently. If you have the gear stick wires connected, the gearbox wires connected, neutral wires, doesn't work. I don't believe I've got them all connected, so we'll soon find out. Right, got the lovely trusty my dashboard tablet going, and obviously as you can see the switch in my hand. What I need to do is get in the car, plug the tablet in, move that box out of the way, plug the tablet in, and just make sure the launch control actually engages and disengages when I plug these wires in. See you in a moment. Loading up Mighty, and it says connected. Let's put that into gear a second. Just autofocus. Okay. Right. Open up launch control status. That says off. So what we'll do is we'll plug this switch in and see what happens. 1 minute. So then guys, here's my janky setup at the moment. Obviously I've got wires leading everywhere. So in Mighty, what you got to do is set your switch to active low, which obviously means low on button. Obviously enable launch control, set what your launch control limit will be, and that's it. I'm not using anti-lag or anything, it's only a small turbo. One thing you must always set is the VSS, because if you've got a sensor on your non-driven wheel, that will cause you problems because it will never disengage unless the car's moving, and you actually do have a sensor. But the wire goes directly down to the old clutch pedal wire, which used to be on there. So what we'll do is drop that down to 2000 RPM, just so it doesn't tick everybody off. Okay, then what we've got to do is go onto the switch. So the switch there is obviously active, is off. Now, on, off. So, obviously it's off at the moment. If you look at the rev counter, you can rev as normal. You're at the likes, you've got some dickhead in his souped up bloody Saxo or Corsa. You want to build some boost while you're waiting on your two-step, press and hold. You've got an anti-lag, let off, and there she goes. Two-step. So obviously I will set that around about 3000 actually, because I don't really want to kill the diff. So you just hit 3000, click yes, yes, job done. Easy as that. So what we're going to do, we're going to give it a test. So let's get the car started. I've set it to 3000 RPM. Switch that gear. Okay. So if I look at the on off, yeah, right. So at the moment, off. Rest is normal. Okay, see you at the lights. There's some little guy in his little Corsa thinking he's badass. Grab hold of your switch, press it down, it's on. Here we go. And obviously we'll retard some more time and get some pops and bangs out of it now. Right, to make it more durable, what I've done is I've took the pipe down, took the wires down the pipe. Obviously this will be tucked away because obviously when you'll be like that. Once you've done using it, obviously I'll be chucking it down. So it needs something that's going to protect the wiring and everything. So there we go. Wicked. So what we'll do is we'll get this wiring tucked away, connected up. I've got an earth here. But I think there might be one down there anyway, so if you can do it to an earth that's down there, it's going to be out of the way then. Fantastico. Ooh. There we go. So we have the little naughty button. It's all fingered in, so I can be the lights, having that wang down, and then going ba 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 ba. That's exactly how they sound once I've sorted out the timing. Awesome. Let go, and it will just sit there anyway. So wicked.